Financing a home purchase in today's market in the United States can be daunting, but it doesn't have to be. With the right information and guidance, you can find the best mortgage option for your individual needs. Today, we will look deep into the financing the home purchase in today's market. So let's get started. But before we dive into the video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. In today's market, there are many financing options for home buyers. The most popular option is a conventional loan, which is a loan that is backed by a private lender, such as a bank or a mortgage company. Conventional loans typically require a higher down payment than government-backed loans, but they also often have lower interest rates and more flexible repayment terms. Those housing trends are continuing, causing 2023 to be something of a transitional year. Sellers still have an edge in many areas, thanks to continued scarcity of houses, and no one expects a dramatic crash in home prices or values. Whatever the economic state of the real estate market, buying the house can be an exciting and emotional process for the individual. Before starting your home search, you'll want to understand the ins and outs of home buying. Doing so will empower you to make decisions that are the best for your family and your wallet. A step-by-step guide for financing the home purchase in today's market. Purchasing a home is a major decision that shouldn't be taken lightly. If you're not clear on why you want to buy a house, you could end up regretting your choice. How to get started. Define your personal and financial goals. Buyers should think about things like when they intend on moving and what they want in a home, amenities, ideal location, and how long it could take them to save for a down payment. These are all important to help define the goals they would like to meet. Check your credit score. Your credit score will help you determine your financing options. Lenders use it, among other factors, to set your loan pricing and see if you're able to repay your mortgage. The better your credit history, the better the chances you'll have of securing financing with the best terms and rates. You can get your credit report and score from each of the three major credit reporting agencies, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, for free once a year. Your bank or credit card company might offer free access to your score or credit report too. Create a housing budget. Setting a realistic budget for your new home will help inform what you can afford and how much your all-in cost will be. The purchase price isn't the whole picture. Carefully factor in other expenses to determine what you can afford. Buyers tend to forget to factor in other costs, like homeowners association fees, and setting money aside for maintenance costs. Save for a down payment. To avoid private mortgage insurance or PMI, you'll need to save at least 20% of the home's purchase price for a down payment. Some lenders offer mortgages without PMI with lower down payments, but expect to pay a higher interest rate. Research the down payment requirements for the loan you want so you know exactly how much you'll need. If a friend, relative, or employer has offered to provide a down payment gift, initiate a conversation early on to learn how much they plan to contribute and if there's any shortfall you'll need to cover, and secure a gift letter from them well in advance too. Shop for a mortgage. Being pre-approved for a mortgage is helpful when you make an offer on a house, and it gives you a firmer handle on how much you can afford. Shop around with at least 3 lenders or a mortgage broker to increase your chances of getting a low interest rate. Hire a real estate agent. An experienced real estate agent can save you time and money by helping you find your dream home and by negotiating with the seller on your behalf. Contact several real estate agents and ask to meet with them for a conversation about your needs before choosing one. Someone with knowledge of an area can tell if your budget is realistic or not, depending on the features you desire in a home. Make an offer. Understanding how to make an attractive offer on a home can help increase your chances the seller will accept it, putting you one step closer to getting those coveted keys. Once you find the one, your real estate agent will help you prepare a complete offer package, including your offer price, your pre-approval letter, proof of funds for a down payment, and terms or contingencies. Financing a home purchase in today's market can be intimidating, but it doesn't have to be. With the right information and guidance, you can find the best loan option for your individual needs. Do your research and shop around to find the best loan for you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to stay tuned.